Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Today we are making stuffed peppers. It is going to be a special dish because it has the Latin touch. We are going to be using some of my favorite seasoning for it. I have a chicken cube that I'm going to be using, and I'm also going to be putting extra cheese. So I'm going to be using Parmesan cheese for the sauce. And we're going to be using lime pepper to marinate the ground beef, oregano, paprika, and dry parsley. We also going to be putting in the ground beef orange bitter. I have here about an ounce of orange bitter, which is sour orange. And that is all that we need to marinate the ground beef. And then we go from there. Let's go ahead and put this dish together. We're putting about a teaspoon of lime pepper, a teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to be putting about a teaspoon of paprika, and about a teaspoon of dry parsley. Let's go ahead and put the orange bitter or sour orange. Let's just blend all those flavors together. We're going to go ahead and start opening the peppers to take the seeds from inside. There you go. I already washed the peppers. I washed my hands. Everything is clean. This is all we want. Okay. Let's go ahead and do the same to the 6 of them. We're gonna go ahead and put a little oil. I don't have any spray. So you guys, just go ahead. If you have spray oil, go ahead. That's the best way to go. But because I don't have it, I'm just kind of brushing around a little oil all over, inside and out of the pepper. We're gonna go ahead and put the peppers in for about 10 to 12 minutes. Just like that, right in the center. Let's do the timer. We're gonna do 12 minutes. And that would be perfect timing. So now while the peppers are in the oven, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start putting the meat together. For the meat, we're gonna go ahead and put about a tablespoon of oil. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of butter. We're just gonna move it around. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the garlic right away, so it will cook together. I don't want that butter to burn, so that's why I just did that. Let's go ahead and let's cook the garlic and the onion. I have about 4 cloves of garlic in half of a medium red onion. So now that the onion is translucent, we're gonna go ahead and put the beef. Let's make sure we break through the meat. We don't want no lumps. So nice and loose, just like that. Now the peppers are in the oven for 12 minutes, pre-cooking. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this meat cook for a couple minutes, and then we proceed. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and put some of the herbs. We're gonna put some celery and some vegetable. So I'm putting the celery and the cilantro all around. Oh, the smell is beautiful, guys. Let's just move it around. I'm gonna go ahead and put about 6 little olives. I already cut them nice and small. That's to put a little extra savory in this dish. We have the roasted diced tomato. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this, giving some color to the dish. Let's go ahead and put it all. This go ahead and sit right here and cook for a minute. Let's go ahead and put the corn. We have about half a cup of corn, pre-cooked, room temperature. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and proceed to put the chicken cube. Just break it nice and small, nice and loose. Spread it around all over. I'm just using one of those little package of assorted and culantro to enhance the color. About a cup of water. We're gonna let it cook for about 3 minutes. The peppers are also done. I'm gonna get them out of the oven so they don't overcook. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and take the peppers out of the oven. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, the smell. They look awesome. Look at the color. Let's go ahead and put them up here. Let's go ahead and put some Parmesan cheese. I'm putting about an ounce of Parmesan cheese. Oh, that's gonna just enhance that flavor, guys. Go ahead and move it around. Make sure the cheese is spread all over, all around. We're gonna go ahead and proceed to put the rice. That was about a quarter of a pound of rice. Not too much. We don't want the rice to take over and overpower the meat, so we want more meat than rice. The ground beef here is the king of the dish. Guys, this is looking good and smell awesome. It is all done. Nice. So let's go ahead and turn the burner off and put this off. Let's go ahead and put this dish together. Guys, it's time to put the peppers together. I already have the oven preheating again on 400. So let's go ahead and stuff the pepper. So what I like to do is to put half of the filler and then put some cheese in it. Then put more of the filler and then more cheese. That's what makes this dish excellent and super cool, because it's loaded with cheese plus all the ground beef with the rice and the flavor. When it gets together and penetrate, it's lovely. Nice. We go ahead and put some cheese in between, right in the middle. Nice. Spread it. I'm using mozzarella cheese, but you guys can use cheddar, you guys can use Swiss cheese, any cheese of your preference. Go ahead, press in. After we did that, now we go ahead and put another spoon of the filler. Okay, we are good. At this point, we're gonna go ahead and put some extra cheese right on top. Oh, that's looking so good, and the smell, guys, is beautiful. You put as much cheese as you want. The oven is preheating on 400 already. Guys, those peppers are looking awesome. So they are ready to go in the oven. The oven being preheating on 400 degrees is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in. We're just gonna give it about what, 8 to 10 minutes, as long as you know it's up to taste because of the color of the cheese. Once the cheese melt, it's up to you guys how golden you like, and then it's all set. Okay, guys, I think we're good. Let's go ahead and put this beautiful dish back in the oven. Oh, I love it. Right in the middle of the rack. About what, 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese get golden, up to taste, depending on how golden, how crispy you guys like, and it's all set. Let's close it and let it cook. We will see each other soon. Guys, look at this. They look awesome. They came out nice. Oh, look at the cheese. So crispy and nice and brown, golden. Let's go ahead and try it and see how good and delicious this dish came out.
Okay.
Hey guys, look at this dish. It looks so wonderful. Look at the peppers, man, with that stuffing. Oh, let's go ahead and try this dish. Mmm, 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 mmm. Wow, it's so nice. It tastes so good. The seasoning is perfect. The sweetness of the pepper with the savory of all these ingredients. I mean, it's lovely. You guys, I recommend you to try it. Thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe, like, and share my videos. Thank you for your support. God bless. Let's eat.